Welcome to Integrity Global Concept. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a certificate with pixellab. Let's start from changing the background. Let's use a background from gallery. We are using the background from gallery. Then let's use a certificate frame. A certificate frame, this is it. Let's use it from gallery. Do not forget that this is the place where you choose your background. Maybe you want to change the image size, or you want to crop it, or you want to use image as a background, or you want to use it from gallery or from camera and the likes. I think we've explained that before. Now let's continue with importing our logo from gallery. Let's import the logo from gallery. Now let me crop some parts. Let me crop it out. Now place it here, decrease the size from this part. Click this part or this part or this part to decrease the size, but if you want it to decrease in equal size, you use this one, the part where blue circle is showing. You click it, then you change the color. Yes, now this is the color we want to use. Click the mark button, then change the relative position. Click this part to be at the center. Mark and then position it up a little bit. Good. The next thing now is that we will be adding a text, which is Integrity Global Concepts. Everything capital. Okay, not this one. Then place it here, center it, then you put it. Let's change the color first so that it will show very well. Then put it at the center, relative position center. Place it up a little bit. Now let's change the font. Then you can decrease it also a little bit. Center. Good. Then the next one is certificate of completion. Place it here. Then change the color to red. Now let's change the font. My fonts, I want to use this. Yes, this is it. Increase it a little bit. Now center, then position it very well. Now the next one is text. This is to certify. No, edit, then that. Okay, now change the color, black color, then the size, decrease it, then relative position center. The next one is the name of the graduate. Now Mohammed Ayobami, I mean the person you want to issue this certificate for. Then you can change the color. Now you can change the font. I want to use yellow color, yellow color, and press the mark button after choosing the color. Then you can increase it a little bit like this. Now position it up, then at the center. Yes, then click new text and edit it. Now press as successfully completed his training on graphics designing. Press OK, then decrease the size, change the color to black so that we can see it very well. Black color. Now use this align button, press the middle one to center everything. Now you can move it up, then you center it. Let's decrease it a little bit size. Now position, center it, move it down a little bit. Now decrease this also so that you'll be able to add other things to it. Put it at the center. Now position it. Now move the remaining text, move them up. So that we can write other things also. Now the next thing is you want to add your date. Put date, press OK, place it here, change the color so that you can see it very well. You want to use this red color. Now the size, decrease it. Let's position it down. Good. Then let's copy it. Let's change the font first. Change the font. Let's use this font. Then we copy it so that the next thing we write will be in the same size and the same font. Copy it and edit the one you copied. This is the one you copy. Then edit it. Now write signature. Signature. You can see it's in the same size and in the same font. You don't need to change anything like size or font again. Now let's add a line where we put our date and signature. Go to the shape button, then press shape, press it, then mark it, press this mark button. Now decrease it in this place. Now change the color to black, give it black color, press OK button, then decrease this in this part a little bit also, decrease it a little bit. Yes. Now place it here, not this. Use this button to pick it, then use your positioning button. Now position it down. Good. Then the next one is that to copy it, then use your positioning button, increase it very well so that it can move fast. Now move it this side. No. Move it on top of that signature. Then down a little bit. Good. The next thing now is that we add our date. Let's move this down a little bit, then pick this and put it down a little bit. Now you add your date, click current date, then place it on top of this. Now you decrease the size. Now change the color to yellow. Let's use yellow color. Change the color to this yellow. Now let's change the font. You can change the font of a figure also. Change it like this. Now position it down a little bit. Then the next thing now is signature. How do you draw your signature? Let's use it like this. Let's use these drawing tools to draw a signature. Press this draw, decrease the pen size to something like 2. Now increase the smoothness to 100. Then draw your signature with it. Press OK button, decrease the size. Now position it down. Then you change the color. Use this yellow color also. Then you save it. Save as project. I want to save it with first certificate. Press OK. Then you save it as image. Save to gallery. Then your certificate is ready. Thanks for watching Integrity Cares.